Hi guys, my name is Nonima Dikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want us to go on the streets now, see what people are saying about what happened the past 3 days, 2 days, 3 days actually. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's go and check out what people were saying because what on earth? What on earth? Senzo Meyiwa Meta. Okay. First person that I found says reached Senzo Meyiwa tried reach this far cause of the judge's desire to convict Baloyi's greediness and Gininda's ambition of becoming a general. The trio wants success and to be seen as brilliant brains in their line of work. They messed up big time. I think this causes in-camera witness. And then Omunye at Gauteng DPP at NPA prostitutes should have a meeting with State Prosecutor Advocate George Baloyi after he's done with Absalom Zungu on the way forward. They are in a hole and they continue digging. That's the authority. Judge Rata Mukwatleng, first law of holes. When you find yourself in a hole, stop digging. I think I'm going to do a video on this alone. I think if he was the killer, he would have killed everyone. The guy is serving 6 life sentences. Arrest Rata, Gininda, and Baloyi and open the other docket. You would have solved the case quickly, bring all who were in the house and charge with murder. He speaks also about Fiso Kuhlentuli, you know this. What we know now is that Constable Zungu also lied under oath. Perjury is loading. Omunye athi situation right now and then uposte ipicture kaRatha look there umdaka ke le phone. Omunye athi kwasiza kodwa ukuthi leli cala livezwe ku-TV buka amanyala avelayo manje and labafana ngabe kade bagwetshwa bengalazi icala labo izinto abazenza kuba buzungu bemlaxaza emgaqweni ebusuku. Omunye ati, I can't forget the reverence Rata has for Gininda, the love, honor, and respect he has for him. On multiple occasions, he made us believe Gininda was a man of integrity who took a course on ethics as if merely taking a course makes you ethical. Omunye ati, I missed Lakadla. He was gonna let Zungu cook without any interruption. Omunye ati, it will be interesting to see if the media will bring in legal experts today to discuss the events of the past few days, especially Absalom Zungu's denunciation of the statement and the corruption allegations against Gininda. Omunye ati, all state defenders are now clinging to the fact that Absalom mentioned TikTok, hoping the state can dismiss his testimony as something he got from TikTok. The desperation is wild. It won't be that simple, fam. It will take a miracle to undo this damage, which I agree. I agree. I agree. If Babu Zungu was born in our era, afforded the same opportunities that we have now, he definitely was going to be a good attorney. Wow, what a phenomenal man he is. Omunye ati, I respect Babu Absalom Zungu. I have never seen a witness tell the court that he was not done and would like to address the court on matters that were left unsaid. Oh my word! Ati Omunye, Judge Rata is too emotional and mean. Watching him throw tantrums and using race is so unprofessional. Advocate Nisi didn't deserve this today. Who cares at this point because we already know how he is. I'm glad Nisi stood up for himself right there on the spot. Omunye ati, Judge Rata is angry, disrespectful towards defense witnesses, but it was all lovey-dovey towards the state witnesses who were lying in our faces. Yo, I miss Advocate Mgomezulu. Omunye athi cha kodwa lo mkhulu uyangihlekisa kazi uzothini ke manje ngoba nangu ubaba uZungu phambi kwakhe. Omunye ati, that is a look of a worried old man. Babu Absalom Zungu is messing up what seemed to be a perfect plan by the state, Gininda, and the judge. Omunye ati, we are live. My weekly recap in the Senzo Meyiwa is up on YouTube. Please watch, subscribe, and super thanks the channel. That's Kwazi Bear 4 minutes ago. 6:30, I guess she's going at work. I'm also awake, 6:30 in the morning. Sorry, you see, YouTubers don't sleep. Please, sorry, go support Kwazipe, guys. There, she posted a video. Ati omunye, oh, it's still her. Uti Absalom, if you don't believe me, bring FNBSA official ABSA at Home Affairs, and let's compare the signature from there with this one Gininda claims is mine. I love Zungu. Sorry. I love Mkulu Zungu, please. Omunye, I wonder how Baloyi has never lost a case before. Probably because his previous cases weren't televised. I'm sure this is beyond ridiculous. Sorry, I don't know what's happening with me. Omunye, I suspect the state and IO deliberately removed details of where accused one was on the 26th October 2014. How is it that only airtime purchase was presented for the day, yet everything else on the day, on other days before and after was available on truck loads? Sorry. Rata is not consistent with his own rules in that courtroom. They seem to apply only when he wants to admonish the defense. What he just reprimanded Nisi for is something Baloyi and Sibanda do all the time. In fact, Baloyi just did it now and Rata said nothing. What did I say? Omunye ubhalile, this sister who is sorry, a daughter of Babu Zungu, asked Nisi to help them to open a case against Gininda of abduction and forgery with IPD. Sorry, kunzima manje. Babu Zungu is finishing their case in 2 days. Anjalo ke amanga. If Gininda can convince grown-up police Zungu to falsify a statement and implicate the father, then it's obvious he coerced the accused persons to sign up the statements he had written in Senzo Meyiwa. Omunye ahleke athi ushiya ababulali bakaMeyiwa la afela khona uzobabheka la emzini wami Babu Zungu. Omunye, Babu Zungu is breaking my heart. He's crying now. Omunye athi sinenkinga entsha e-SA that needs to be sorted very fast. Picture karata, Baloyi, Sibiya, General Sibiya, and Brigadier Gininda. Omunye athi, so this black judge can't even hide his dissatisfaction of the evidence given by Mr. Zungu. For him to be that agitated by Missy whispering to Ramsipile that time Baloyi will lean down and whisper to Sibanda all the time in front of this drama queen black judge. How were accused number 1 and 2 arrested if are now saying Zungu's evidence is triple hearsay? Kunzima kula case, guys. Kunzima kula court. Umnisi, he says, you signed this statement. Uzungu, I never signed it. Whose signature is that? Umnisi, Gininda says, whoever they showed, sorry, you were to sign. The question is, did you ever sign a document such as this? Uzungu, no, and even that signature is not mine. Sorry. They thought all old people just write their names as signatures. Omunye, if this is Fiso Kuhle Ntuli, a ruthless hitman, who is serving 6 life terms in 39 years. He is accused number 5 in the trial, in the Senzo Meyiwa trial. Do you really think this guy shot Senzo with 1 bullet and ran away? Omunye, Mr. Zungu to Gininda and Baloyi. Absalom Zungu says if he loses his life, his son Constable Zungu and Brigadier Gininda should be the suspect. Sorry. Valid question by Babu Zungu, though. If these boys were arrested from what I said, why was I not called to confirm what was said on the statement? Omunye ati, can someone please arrest this guy? Other kids are suffering just because of him, and Ushuma Gininda. Omunye ati, it would have been very bizarre bizarre and insane for Rata to believe the son sees Zungu and disbelieve or triple hearsay Zungu Senior. No logic, Rata is gone, the pension is gone. I'm going to read the last two. Imagine your entire case as the state being dismantled by a disastrous witness. After years of investigation, I would bury my head in shame as Baloyi. All right, that was the last one. Thank you so much, guys. Those were the streets. That's what is being said on the streets about the case. What are your thoughts? Thank you. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.